Hello, this is Ms. Tachibana, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs. The first thing you're going to do after you log into your computer is to open up an internet browser. You can either use Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. This is the first page that will show up, and it is www.ravenswoodschools.net. If you are on a school computer, this page comes up automatically, so you don't need to worry. However, if you're at home, you simply need to just type this address into the bar and it will take you there. Be careful not to write www.ravenswoodschools.org because that is a completely different site. So this is .net. This one is .org. So we want to be on .net. The first thing you're going to do is hit this button, Drive Documents. The difference between Drive and email is that email is the tool you use to communicate with me or another student. You can send messages back and forth. Drive Documents, think of it as a closet where you put in all your stuff. So every time you create a Word document or you want to make a presentation, you're going to put it here in your closet, which is the drive. Then you will come to this page. You're going to log in with your username and password, which is the exact same as your computer name and password for the computer. Click Log In. And now you are ready to create a document. You're going to go here on the left-hand side where it says Create. Hit it once, then select Document. Now you are ready to start typing. The first thing you're going to do is come up here and title your document. You just click it once, and I would put down personal narrative since that's what we're working on. If at any point you want to change the title, you simply click it again, and let's say I want to write my name, Tachibana's personal narrative. I would click OK, and as you can see here, it has been changed. The first thing you're going to do for every single Google document is you are going to put down your warrior heading. The warrior heading is on the left-hand side, so I'm going to press this button right here, which says Write a Line. You start off with your name. Then you hit the return button to go down one line. You're going to type in the subject / period. If I was in 1, 2, I would write 1, 2. Again, hit return to go down another line. Type in the date and then the teacher's last name. As you can see here, the lines are not aligned. They are kind of zigzag like this. So to make it look nicer, I'm actually going to highlight the whole thing and press this button and bring it to the left. These buttons up here tell you where you want your letters. Left, center, right. Again, left, center, right. I'm going to bring it back to the right-hand side, and if I press Tab, which is the key right next to the Q, it's going to bring it over little by little. Click here in front of the ELA. And that way it is completely aligned and it looks a lot neater. After that, you're going to click after the teacher's last name, because that's the last thing you wrote. Press return. Press return again. Press the delete button to kind of bring your mouse back to this location. And then you want to actually press the center button because you're now going to write your title. I'm going to pretend I'm writing about my most embarrassing moment. So I would write my most embarrassing moment. As you can see, I have capitalized all the letters because in a title, all the words are capitalized. However, I see a red line here. That means I have written it incorrectly, and the spell check is telling me that this word is spelled incorrectly. You're going to click it using the right hand side, the right side button. Oops, sorry. And here it will say, did you mean? What's great about word processing is that you no longer have to really use a dictionary, and there are words right in front of you. So this is probably the right spelling, so I would press it, and then voila, the red line has disappeared. That means that it's now written clean. If this word had been spelled wrong as well, you see the red line, so I would click it with the right hand button. Here it says, did you mean? Sometimes it gives you more than one option, but here is pretty clear I meant moment. So I would write moment, and then the red line has disappeared. At this point, please share this document with me. You're going to go to the right hand side where this blue button is, press the button, and then here it says invite people. You're going to click in the box and start typing J. Tachibana, your teacher's name. So here you can see my name. Make sure it's ravenswoodschools.net. Click it, scroll down, press share and save, and then press done. Make sure my name is on here. Now you've successfully shared your Word document with me, so I can check on your progress and even make comments.